Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Your carrier plan permits tethering and you have active data. Once done, toggle cellular data on and ensure airplane mode is off so the radio can register. Next, restart your phone. A quick reboot clears temporary network faults and reloads carrier settings. If you use a dual SIM phone, choose the correct line. Make sure any VPN is disabled because it can block tethering authentication. These steps prepare the device, so enabling the hotspot will succeed. Once the basics are ready, move into deeper fixes. Update carrier settings and the phone OS to ensure hotspot protocols are current. If the hotspot still fails, reset network settings. This removes stale APN or DNS entries that can block tethering. When appropriate, manually edit the APN tethering fields to match carrier documentation, because sometimes automatic values omit tethering flags. If you use a personal hotspot password, set a strong password and re-enable the hotspot. This forces a fresh DHCP lease for connected devices. To finish, test tethering systematically. First connect one device over Wi-Fi, then try USB, then Bluetooth to identify which method fails. If USB works and Wi-Fi does not, the issue is wireless configuration. If nothing works, contact your carrier to check provisioning or account-level blocks. Only consider a factory reset after backing up data, because it clears persistent configuration problems but is disruptive. If you run into errors, remember this tip. Capture exact error messages and timestamps before contacting support to speed diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.